If you're someone who wants to get into the field of finance or someone who's working in the field of finance, in today's time, it is very important that you start using AI tools. Hey everyone, my name is Sai Joshi and I'm a consultant working in New York. I remember back in time when I used to create a presentation, it used to take me around 2 to 3 hours. And nowadays, with the use of right AI tools, I create them in just 5 minutes. The difference was not the skill set. The difference was knowing which is the right tool to use at the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share the top AI tools that you can use if you're someone who's working in the field of finance, which will make your work efficient and faster from before. So the tool number one is Perplexity Finance, and you can start using this from today, right now, for free. Or whether you want a summary of the markets for today, or you are just digging deep for a particular stock, you can do all of that in Perplexity Finance. Or you're just someone who wants to track the market, see the different prices, crypto, equity, gold, or you want to just see the news for the day. You can do all of that in Perplexity Finance. And if you want to understand how you can use that tool in detail, you can check out this video and you can find the link to that video in the description. Now the next tool is Notebooks LM, and this tool is genuinely very crazy. This is a free tool by Google and it is not like ChatGPT, to be honest. Whether you are analyzing a 10K or annual report or any industry particular report or just analyzing a ring call transcript, you can just go to this tool, create a new document and upload a particular document that you are analyzing, and then you can ask any question that you had in your mind, but it will only give answer based on the document that you have provided. Doesn't matter what all the data is available in the world, you are just going to get the answers that you wanted based on that particular document. The next tool is Shortcut AI. Finance works on Excel, and we cannot ignore that fact, and Excel is not going anywhere in the future. Whether you have to create a DCF model or a three financial statement analysis model, or you just want to analyze a particular company's stock, everything is done on Excel. And here comes Shortcut AI. It is just like an AI agent living in the Excel. You just need to go there, write a prompt, maybe something like build a 5-year DCF model for Infosys using the latest annual report, and it will do the rest of the work for you. And if you even want to add something like use this particular WAC number or this terminal growth number that your senior has given to you can do that as well, and it will create the model for you in just matter of few minutes. Now next I want to talk about two tools which you can use for creating presentations. The first one is Gamma AI and the second one is Beautiful.ai. Both of them creates great presentation for you in just a matter of seconds, and you can use both of them in two ways. The first way is you have a prompt in your mind, like maybe create a presentation for this particular company for this particular topic, and second can be that you have all the content and you want to make the presentation, so just go dump all of the content over there and the AI will do the rest of the work for you. This is something which I have started using personally as well, because I feel it saves so much time and effort for you that you don't have to think and design. You just need to make sure that you have the right prompt, and then you can do the extra work after it creates the first draft of presentation. And the last but not the least tool is Claude AI. You can use Claude for multi-purpose, like whether you want to get a summary or just wanted to understand a particular topic, you can use it for that. And I use it generally if I am reading a news and I find something new which I'm not aware about. I just go and make sure that I understand the whole concept behind that particular thing using Claude. And you can even use co-work plugins which are just come for the particularly finance roles like private equity, investment banking and equity research, but they are paid, so they are not free. So these are the top tools that you can start using from today. And whether you are in the field of finance or not, this are the tools that you have to start using. They will make you better and much more efficient and faster as compared to the things that you used to do manually. And thank you for watching.